How to add button on Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how we could add or create a button on Framer. Now, it could be confusing to add a button on Framer since when you look through the different insert options over here or like this section over here where you should supposedly be able to find different elements, there's no option for us to choose or to select for a button. Yet button exists in our Framer. So what I find easily or what I choose to do for this kind of situation is that I could just simply open or add a random section over here that has a button already existing, for example this one, and what I could just do is simply select the button that already exists, modify it to a certain extent, for example this one. I want this button, and let's say this button should be subscribe. I'll modify this one over here, subscribe, and I'll just modify this or like the different information about this, like the color, make it red, and I'll just get this element over here, copy and paste it, and then I'll use it for whatever I need it for. So for example, I want this subscribe button to appear over here on this page. I could just simply copy or either cut it and paste it inside, and there we go. Now I have my own button over here. So I think that's the most easiest and the most uh, basic way for us to be able to get a button easily added into our website over here, because creating it and doing it manually is a bit confusing here in our Framer, as you can see. So anyway, that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.